Hi kids, good morning everyone. I'm so happy to see you all again. So here is the class. Again we will get up. है ना? Morning, what we do? When we wake up in the morning, what do you say? Good morning. When you wake up in the morning, what do you say? Good morning. When you meet your friends online, what do you say? Hello. When you meet your friends online, what do you say? Hello. You can also say hi or even namaste. Before you go to bed, say good night. Good night. Before you go to bed, say good night. So, first of all, we'll do meeting greeting. Okay. So, how we meet and how we greet. So, wear your mask, wash your hands, wash. And then say high five. Very good. High five. Yes. So, now after this, what we do? We will get up. Everybody get up from your place. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Yes, get up, get up. And then hands up, up. Bend as much as you can. And hold. Yes. Now bend forward as much as you can. Bend forward. Bend backward. And then twist, twist, twist. Yes. And opposite side. Twist, and twist. Very good, children. Very good. Then run. Stand up. Very good. Attention. Standard is attention. When we are saying attention, your hand should be straight. Wrist closed. Straight. And standard is left leg should come little forward. Okay? Fine. So, standard is attention. So, we'll do a prayer today. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Again, God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So high, you can't get over it. So high, you can't get over it. Oh, wonderful love. So deep, you can't get under it. So deep, you can't get under it. So deep, you can't get under it. Oh, wonderful love. So wide, you can't get around it. So wide, you can't get around it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Very good. Clap for yourself and tap for yourself. Well done, children. Well done. Very good. Now, attention. Standard is attention. Very good. So again, what we learned in last class, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. Now faster! We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. Very good, very nice, very nice. I'm so proud of you. Very good. So one more time, set your hands and come near and clap. Very good, very good. So whenever we start our day, we should greet our parents. We should say, "Good morning, mommy. Good morning, daddy." Right? Or mama, appa, whatever you feel like to call your parents. They always love you, right? Yes. So now, what is the next section? Today, I am going to tell you a nice story. I want to tell you a story. Or before that, we will dance. Let's dance first. है ना? Then, when we'll get tired of dancing, then we will listen a story. Have you practiced the link I have given you for dance? Have you practiced? Laugh, laugh, laugh. Ready?
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई
Okay.
देखो देखो
So, first of all, what we did? Whatever you want to do. Okay. Like this, crawling the ants or going down, up, and then throw, and laugh. Up to this much, whatever you want to do, you're free to do, children. Just jump, dance, whatever. Then, then join your thumb and little finger, baby finger, daddy finger, and join it and come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then throw away. Throw away. Okay? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then देखो. See. Is it a tree? See. Is it a tree? Or somebody standing with blank bed sheet. Okay? So देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई somebody standing and covering himself with blanket. Is it somebody like that or it's a tree? So you have to act like that. देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान में. It's a rain or in clouds are opening their tabs. Okay. So बारिश है या आसमान में खोल दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं जैसे हम देखेंगे जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी see your hand leg should be forward 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 so जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ ओके खुल के सोचे आओ पंख नए फैलाओ रंग नए spread the colors see spread your wings expand your thinking spread your wings spread the colors and then come have fun bum bum बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल sit and kick sit and kick sit up kick sit up kick okay so we'll do with song this much today okay ready children
Chakarapachicha, chonchakanoram, gando, wando, lakanakatam, takko, takko, hitiko, hitiko, hipa, hipa, chikichakacho, gilgilipan, sulusulipan, makanak, mukapukuri, mukapukuri, chakalaka, hitko, hitko, hitiko, arzok, tarzok, chikitakacho. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचो पकड़ा चलाओ दिखलाओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुनने
very good very good children see if you want to get the reference I'll put the link in the description box. You go and see. Very simple steps are there. Practice. And I'll also teach you in next class again. After this. Okay? Now you're thirsty, tired. Sit down. We'll have a story time. Okay? Children? Thank you so much to be so much attentive and active, children. I'm so happy. Okay. A quick game. Okay? I will call out the name of your body parts and you have to touch your body part fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shoulder. Shoulder. Where is your shoulder? Tap your shoulder. Tap your shoulder. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Very good. Point your nose. Point your nose. Nose. Yes. Where's your eyes? Blink your eyes. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. Where is your eyebrows? Stretch your eyebrows. Yes, these are our eyebrows, children. See? And where's your teeth? Show me smiling teeth. Ee, ee. Where is your ears? Two listening ears. Here they are. Here they are. Very good. And the twinkling fingers. Okay, if you can quickly get a paper and a pencil or pen or sketch pen. If you can quickly get a paper and a pencil and a pen. You know, one boy was there, a boy, he was searching for his dog. He was not finding his dog. His dog went somewhere. So he came down his house and he went right and left. He couldn't find his dog, but he get caught some honeybees. Oh, he ran and went inside a pond, jumped inside a pond, and then he went to a straight big hill. And there he searched down right for his dog, then left for his dog, and he couldn't find his dog. Then he saw two doors are there, one and two. And then he knocked at the door. Knock, 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 knock. And what he saw? He saw his dog Bingo. He saw his dog Bingo. Yes. Have you also done it, children? So, we will sing the song. A farmer had a dog. His name is Bingo. 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 And Bingo was his name. Very good. So, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, Bingo. 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 And Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, Bingo, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, so children, you will definitely try this at home. Yes, yes. So thank you so much. See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. Bye bye, butterfly. Bye bye, butterfly. See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. Bye bye, butterfly. Bye bye, butterfly. Toodaloo, kangaroo. Time to go, buffalo. Give a hug, ladybug, give a hug, ladybug. Toodaloo, kangaroo, time to go, buffalo. Give a hug, ladybug, give a hug, ladybug.